Alright, you two, we got some special guests in the house. This is Palmer. This is Parker, twin boys, first haircut. See on the sides, whatever is not braided on top, we're gonna go ahead and knock that down. Nice crispy edge up top. First haircut, how old are you? Like that.
Hold up.
It's alright, go like that. There you go. Can I get a high five? Yeah. Alright, I got a special kit for you. Ooh, that's a lollipop. You like pizza? Yeah? First and foremost, Mom, if you see this video, which I know you will, thank you for trusting me with their first haircut. I'm gonna take care of them. Huh?
She want to keep it as much as she can.
Okay, I'm just gonna knock this knot off.
Go ahead, do your thing.
Alright. You ready? Alright. Look.
Let's go.
Getting better. Now we're really gonna get some cuts.
Tell Parker I have.
It's not so bad. First haircut ever. You're doing so good.
Good job, boo.
I cut a 2-year-old little boy. He had a fro like this.
I seen the one.
And first haircut ever, man. And he was amazing, just like him. Dude, he didn't move, he didn't cry, make a noise. I think when it comes to kids getting their first haircut, they're scared with all the noise of the clipper. It could be the environment, like at a barbershop. Sometimes barbershop can be too loud. I just feel like with that video that I made, that 2-year-old little boy, kind of showed that, you know, kids can go into a barbershop and get a haircut, bro. Like, I created a video where, you know, even him, if he had showed in that video, he probably could have seen that little boy getting a haircut. I'm like, oh, it's not too bad, you know?
Look at the camera.
It's Apollo. Apollo, yeah, that too cold.
Alright, here is brother number 1. We finished with the cut. Crispy lineup, pointed sideburns. Let's see, let's do a little quick little 360. We rounded the back. He did good, he did amazing. You like it? Yeah? Can I get a thumbs up? Cool. Alright, we got brother number 2. Mr. Parker, you ready for your haircut? Put this cool cape on you. You ready? You look excited. You excited? No, you're not excited? You are excited? Woo-hoo! area. Tickle you?
It's Apollo. Apollo, yeah, that too cold.
Here's the second, brother. You like it, Parker? Yeah?
Thumbs up.
Give me a thumbs up. Two thumbs up. Yeah. Time looking right. First haircut. You happy? Cool. Can I get a high five? Can I get a high five? Yeah. You like a cut too? Yeah?
Yes.
You like the cut? Cool. Yay, we're done.